Introducing the versatile, rugged, and lightweight CK62 mobile computer. Including the FlexRange XLR scan engine, enhanced and optimized for long-range scanning, quick, high-speed scanning. Unmatched performance, user-friendly, ergonomic design, with 47 alphanumeric input keys and 38 function numeric input keys. Built on the durable, stable and secure Mobility Edge platform, supporting long life cycle and simplified deployment. Equipped with 5G and Wi-Fi 6E capabilities for always-on and seamless connectivity. Ideal rugged warehouse design with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 touchscreen and IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. The only device with 1.8 meters drop, crossing temperature, and 3,000 tumble. Available with a full suite of chargers and accessories for any workflow.